In this video, I will quickly show you how to open a cTrader account. Once you've logged into your client dashboard, you can open an account by clicking the button Open Live Account here at the top, or you can navigate to the Accounts option from the menu and click Open Live Account. On the following screen, you will select your desired platform from the drop-down. In this case, we will select cTrader. Next, we will choose our account type. Be sure to watch our video titled EPFX Account Types Explained to learn about the differences between each account type. In this case, we will open a raw spread account and click Continue. Then we will select our desired leverage and account base currency. After clicking Continue, you will now see your account login information, including your account number, your password and server. Be sure to store these somewhere for later use when logging into your trade account. You will also receive an email containing them in the event you lose them. This step-by-step process can be used for opening a cTrader demo account. You simply click the Open Demo Account button and follow the same process. Thanks for watching.